if you have that passion for the pursuit of something for the sake of and do it with excellence, would it not stand to say then that yeah, you'll get the physical wealth, you'll get the mental wealth, you'll get the knowledge wealth, but then the material wealth is just kind of an outcome of all of that. It's a byproduct. It's not the actual goal. If it's pursued as a solitary goal, you may or may not have success. But if you for sure pursue the way you're describing it, you might have a natural outcome that might surprise you in that.
It's all about your value system. If achieving materials is valuable to you, then whatever you're doing that's not achieving you materials is going to be painful. It's going to feel like friction. And over time, I had a lot of friction on this topic because what's really important? Is it money? Is it career? Is it personal? Is it friends? Is it family? Is it all of them combined? And what are the ratios? And what I boiled it down to was my mission and vision for myself, and it's to gain rare and valuable skills to acquire personal and financial freedom. I started to realize the more rare skills that I have, whether it be podcasting, how to program in Python, things of those nature, that I could actually achieve more personal freedom, financial freedom. And when I achieve those things, I have more time for my friends, family, hobbies, and things like this podcast.
That's awesome. You know, in yoga, there's a old saying, you might have heard about it. It's that that the mind calms the breath, and then the breath masters the mind.
Mm.
And once you've mastered the mind, you've mastered everything. You're done.